Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to tell you about my exclusive Black Friday deal for the Allura suite of tools for Etsy sellers. And yes, I said exclusive because they weren't planning on running a Black Friday sale. And I emailed them. I said, hey, what's up guys? You doing anything for Black Friday? And they said, for you, Ryan, I'll make a 30% off code, even though we weren't planning on doing anything. So it is exclusive and the code will be in the description. You can save 30% for your Allura subscription. Now, Allura has a suite of tools for Etsy sellers. I'm going to show you each one of them in this short video, but they are most well known for their research tool, and I'll show you that at the end. So the first thing you may find useful is their keyword finder. So the way this works is you can provide a seed keyword. Like in this one, I just typed in like funny 2020. And you can see in the results here, it's showing some of the most popular phrases that include funny 2020 in them, and kind of leading you in a direction like, okay, funny 2020 shirt. All right, that's not that useful. Social distancing. Okay, boom. We've got a phrase associated with funny 2020 products. Would not recommend. Okay, boom. Got another phrase associated with the seed phrase we provided. So it's doing a lot of the discovery for us. And it's so simple. You don't even need to go to Etsy. You just type it into their tool, hit search, and boom, you got the results. By the way, you can also see like views, favorites, competition, etc. And that can guide your decision making of whether or not to enter these niches. And you can see trending tags for the week as well. So another thing that can help you stumble upon new trends. Sorry, I think I mislabeled this one, but this is a privacy policy generator. So ignore the title at the top there. You can generate a privacy policy for your Etsy shop, and you're able to add a custom one in your Etsy shop. They have a fee calculator for Etsy, and this is actually really, I think, important because they have a way of kind of hitting you with unknown fees, like kind of behind the scenes. It's not that it's truly behind the scenes, but they make it hard to really know how many fees they took and taxes and whatnot from each sale, at least in my opinion. You know, with Amazon, you get an email and everything's right there in the email. And with Etsy, I always felt like they were trying to hide it from the sellers, like what we were actually paying to Etsy. So the fee calculator helps, and you can basically just input your selling price, your cost, etc., and they put it all right there in front of you. All right, there's also a research tool, and this is what they are probably most well known for. So if you go to Etsy, you do a keyword search. I typed in funny 2020 shirt, run the extension. Okay, so it's a Chrome extension. Click the Chrome extension. It'll run the research tool. And what it does here is it gives you a breakdown of each product in the search results, the price, favorites, estimated sales, estimated revenue, etc. You can go and break down further. So if you click any of those products and expand it to get a detailed breakdown, you see the image, you see the you see the title, you see tags right here. So, if you're seeing a bestseller and you're about to drop a product into that niche and you want some tags that work as evidenced by the bestseller, well, hey, you don't need to guess. You can grab the tags right there. You see basically a grade for the niche as a whole, typical favorites, typical price, typical sales, etc. So you see how you stack up against the other products indexed on that keyword or phrase of keywords that you typed. And then you see a score. And that's honestly like, I'm not always a huge fan of boiling things down into such a simple concept of like a grade, like a 1 to 10 point score, because it's not always accurate. But generally speaking, if you're just kind of rifling through niches like very quickly and just looking to see at a glance, like if this is worth your time or not, the niche score up there, which this one ranked as an 8 out of 10, so it's pretty good. That's a nice way of doing it. And that also functions the same way on like Jungle Scout for Amazon. So I get why they do it. You can also dig into the Google trend data. That's a nice way of seeing like if you're entering a trend that's on the rise, on the decline, etc. So informing your decision of whether or not to sell products in that niche. So guys, Allura is 30% off. This is an exclusive Black Friday discount. You can find the code and the link to Allura in the description. Instead of paying $160 for an annual license, you can get it for $112, but it's only available to the first 50 users. So again, the link is in the description. The code is unique just to you and everybody else that subscribes to this channel. If you guys sell on Etsy, it's worth checking out. I think they may even do a free trial. I know they used to, so actually don't quote me. I know they used to do a free trial. And I know there was a lot of great feedback. I interviewed Spencer, who is a top 125 Etsy shop, all right? And he just opened a second Etsy shop to sell print on demand. And this dude uses Allura. So that to me is a nice little endorsement there, because I was never anywhere close to a top 125 Etsy shop. He currently is, and he still uses Allura. And I'm not lying. That's 100% true. So anyways, guys, check it out. Link in the description. Have a good night.